My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2014 Volkswagen camper. This vehicle has done just over 34,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of the kitchen area, which is complete with a sink, cooker and fridge. We also have this extendable table, which we'll be able to see from the pictures. This camper is 4 berths. We have our double bed, which also transforms back into 2 seats. As we go inside, we can get a good view of the pop top. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have features such as cruise control and voice control. And moving over onto the touchscreen, we can see that we have parking pilot. We can also get quick access to Apple CarPlay as well as Bluetooth. We have heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.